Hello, I'm David Hoffman here with MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach, and we're aboard our 2019 Sea Ray 250 Sun Deck with the Outboard. As you can see, as we start right at the transom area, we have the 300 Mercury V8 on here, new for Mercury this year. It's an awesome low-end torque motor. It'll get this boat up and going. As you can see on the swim platform right away, we have a built-in cooler that's self-draining. We also have a transom shower here. We also have the Fusion stereo with the, this is our second control here for the back. This is a great lounge area. As you'll see, this slides back, opens up this space. This also has a nice easy flip back to the bench here. As we step aboard into the cockpit area, we have a great floor space, plenty of seating. Again, these backrests move nice and easy. Plenty of storage underneath these seats, like this. This is equipped with the sports tower. It's in white with blue canvas top. As we move forward again to the helm station, we have the built-in SIMRAD, which gives you the GPS and navigation and your depth. This boat, what's really cool feature about this boat is that it has a cabin with a head, which is a pump out. As we move forward, in your traditional bow riders, you enter from the center, but Sea Ray went ahead and put the entrance to the bow on the port side. Lots of ample seating. It also has the bow filler cushion that will go here to fill in this whole area. This comes in the Sea Ray blue that we have here, and this is our 2019 Sea Ray 250 Sun Deck Outboard. Call me, love to have you come in. We'll do a sea trial. Again, my name is David Hoffman here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.